Hi there, hope you're doing good. So here I am with the demo. I'm using these 5 files as an image file, and you can see the name of the files are P1, P2, P3, P4, and P5. And yeah, we have to make a link of a folder so where the images are placed and which image to be pulled on which command. Like for example, you have to make sure that the file name, whatever the file name is, like if you are using a product name or an SN or maybe something else, so you have to match the cells with the image name so that you can pull that particular image in the relevant cells. So here you can see these are currently there's currently no cells, no images, and no comments. So what I'll do, I'll select the range on which I want to select the insert the images in the comment. So I'll select this and then I'll click this button. And you'll see within 1 second, all the images are being inserted accordingly. The P3 is showing something like this, and you can see this is P3 and P5. You can see this one is here. So that's it from my side. Please let me know. So this is the requirement from you that we need to have a column. You have to tell me on which column you want to insert the images, or maybe a column or a row or a range, and which the name of the file, image file, should be present on the cell so that we can identify the which image to be put inserted on which comment. So please let me know if you need this. So my offer is you can tell me any number and then I'll provide it to you, no problem at all. You can just tell me your number.